y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas. Today we have a fun tutorial for you. Sorry I did not get a video up Wednesday, but I told y'all that since we are remodeling the other side of the building that the videos may be spotty, and I painted for 3 days straight and I'm exhausted. Painting 12 to 14 foot ceilings. I'm not exactly sure how tall, but they're tall ceilings, and climbing up and down scaffolding is extremely exhausting. Everything hurts from the tips of my fingers down to my toes, I will tell you. But it's going good, and once we get everything painted and the doors and all that we're put in, I will give you a tour of the empty store so you can kind of see where my mind's at and where it's going. But I figured today we'd do something fun. I went to IKEA last Sunday and I bought these Cork placemats. So I'm going to show you how to put HTV on them. Cork is one of those products that is made to resist heat. That's why they make trivets out of them to like set hot pots and stuff like that on. And the 4-pack of these was less than 10 bucks. There goes my easy press. The 4-pack of these was less than 10 bucks, and you can either use them as a placemat or you can do what I'm going to do, which is decorate it. And then once I get my new office set up, I'm going to mount it on the wall so I have a custom cork board. So give me a moment to change the camera angle and we will. You can see I have the cork board laid out. I have my Teflon sheet, my Easy Weeding wooden pick. So first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and weed our vinyl, this is the Caesar Cherry Pink glitter vinyl, because y'all know I love glitter. Can't live without it. So we'll go ahead and get this weeded. And where I got this design from is there is an app called the Monogram It app. I know it's on iTunes. I'm not sure as far as if it's on Android or not, and it's like 99 cents. And I created the monogram and then emailed it to myself and traced it out through Cricut. So it wasn't anything super complicated. But I wanted something nice and bold for my new cork board. And what I will probably do is use some double-sided sticky tape to mount it to the wall once I get my new office set up. And all that it is just my monogram. So there you go. That's what the design looks like. And I've already preheated my Easy Press to 330 degrees. And I have the timer set for 15 seconds. And I have this nice and straight on my cork board. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and cover it with my Teflon sheet. I'm going to take and place my Easy Press, and I'm going to press on. And we're going to do this in sections. But there are lots of things that you can do with your Easy Press and different vinyls and things like that you may not have tried before. So there is typically a way, no matter what you're wanting to do, to heat press onto or put regular adhesive vinyl such as Oracal 651. Okay, let's see if that's down. Oh, I gotta get that corner. I was up high, not down low. But as you can see, it really doesn't take long. But I definitely recommend that Monogram It app. They have all kinds of cute borders and things like that. Now I'm just kind of running my iron all the way around just to make sure everything's good and down. So we'll set that to the side. And we'll go ahead and peel our protective layer up. Now what I always like to do, especially on a surface like this, is go ahead and repress without the protective cover, but with my Teflon sheet over it. And this is just pretty much running my iron just to make sure all the edges are sealed. And I really enjoy my easy press. And as I said, with it being cork, it is made to take the heat, so you don't have to worry about it melting. There we go. Now give me a minute to change my camera angle and we will finish it out. So as you can see, it looks absolutely adorable. The vinyl is on there well, and you can still use this as a regular placemat. But for, you know, $2.50 each for the cork board, if I get tired of the colors, I can take and either flip it over to the back side, that is if I don't put too many holes in it, or I can take and just do another one. For, you know, as I said, pretty much they're less than 10 bucks. I think they were $6, but let's say they were $2.50 each. This is a great, cheap and easy project that you can do, and you can do this on regular bulletin board material. And I know like Office Depot has the little squares and things like that that you can purchase as well. And let's not forget, we have a sale going on our website. It's 14% off because we love our customers through Valentine's Day, and you use the code capital B E-B space capital M-I-N-E, Be Mine. And if you look on the home page of the website, it scrolls through and make sure you can see the code as well. Don't forget to check us out on all of our other social medias, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, all those fun kind of things. On my second channel, which is just Betsy Gocher, I did my 4th Keto Life diet update. So if you're interested in seeing that, go check it out. So I guess that's it for today. So thanks, and y'all have a great day.